Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College, working on the song Love by Nat King Cole, and doing this for a friend who's going to be accompanying a violinist. And so I'm not going to play the melody, I'm just going to play kind of what the piano does, which has some nice counter melodies. So it kind of starts like this, the melody is, but the piano is doing something more like this. Now that little da-da thing in there, that's kind of, there's a guitar that's chinking away in there. The piano doesn't do that, but you need a little rhythm in that spot, so that's why I'm doing it. And then goes to a D7th, but bass is going to play an A. And you could kind of make it an A minor 7th there too, but the important part here is the counter melody. So, from the top, is for the way you look. O is for the only one. So now I'm on the second half of the song, and there is a nice string line in there that you could kind of bang down with this finger. Anyway, you get the idea, and hope that helps. Once again, I want to thank all my recent Patreon subscribers and also the folks who have been supporting the channel through PayPal. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you again soon.